guys, it's girl just like back again with another lit video actually. Okay, let's get that right. But yeah, as you guys can tell from the title, today I'm gonna be opening my package. Okay, my package. I got it today, so I'm like, I have to do this video today. So I got a new ring light for my birthday. You know, my birthday is 24th February, but because I didn't do anything like amazing, I didn't have like a party or anything, so obviously I didn't record because I don't know, there was nothing really to record. So I just didn't record. I didn't do like a birthday vlog. I went to college, normal day, came home, just had like brother around and stuff and all that. Basically it was just a simple day, I'm not even gonna lie. But my head, jeez. But yeah, so I didn't record. My birthday was 24th of February, so now you girl 17. Happy birthday to me again. But yeah, we're just gonna open this package. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. We're gonna see the lighting, all that, you know. So let's just get straight to this video. I didn't open it because I wanted to open it on camera, you know. That's how big it is. You know, when you know somebody like me, you shouldn't trust them with sharp stuff. I don't know why I always hurt myself when I have something sharp with me for some reason. Okay, let's open this. You see that? There's nothing in the... No. Look at this. It comes with a case. I didn't know it came with a case.
Really, nigga?
Okay, I didn't know. Okay, let me move this real quick so you guys can actually see what I'm doing right now. Obviously that didn't work because it's still like... Still can't see, but... You know. What's going on? Can you see now? You can't see me though. Wait. Yeah, that's okay then. It's okay. Yeah, we can just put it on the bed. Let me tilt that a little bit so you can get good. So you can actually see it. My bedroom's not even that messy. What am I trying to hide? Huh? What am I trying to hide? Okay, you don't need to see my robe or anything. So yeah. Let's just open it up. Let's see what it's like inside. Damn. This is one of my birthday presents, guys. Wow.
Okay.
This is so freaking big. And it comes with another little case. That's the thing. I like the fact that it came with this, so you can take it around. That's good. Credit. Give them credit for that. This is so freaking smart. Okay, let's set this up. What is this? Silicone gel. Okay. I guess this is the battery thing. Yeah, the charger actually. I sound dumb saying it like that. But yeah. Let's set this up and see how this works. For now, I don't even think I need to open this like that. This ring light is so big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. Let's see this. From now on, we're gonna have good lighting in my videos. Okay. Good lighting in my videos. Alright. Let me try and set this up. So, what's this for? It has this cute remote. This thing is so freaking long already. It's kind of annoying me. What's this? Owner's manual. Well, this is a bit small. I'm not gonna read it right now, but I'll just show you guys how small it is. Can you see it? Tiny as hell. Camera. Freaking know what that's for. But yeah, let's try turning this light on before. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Like, my phone's already on the ring light. As you can tell, it's not like down there anymore. So I'm gonna turn this light off, and then I'm gonna turn the ring light on slowly so you guys can see the difference in the lighting. Okay, what's that one? Whoa, look at that. I look kind of like orange or something. And I think this is the color. Oh yeah, it's like, can you guys see that? Ooh, I like this ring light. Can you guys see that? Ooh, yes. This is what we needed. Period. I don't even say this like that, but okay, let's change that. Ooh, it's gone white. No, that's like blue, right? I don't like that. I don't really like that. I kind of like this one, the orange one, but I think I'm gonna go with the white. Let's try to turn my normal lights off. See, it doesn't even make the difference. I literally have no ceiling light on right now. Look at this. Ooh. You know, my cousin just keeps messaging me. She's like, but I love this ring light, okay? I don't know what happened with this stand thing. I don't know if it was meant to come with a stand or you have to buy it separately. It doesn't give me any information on the box. But it's just the ring light, I guess. And then I have to buy the stand. I'm gonna order it on Friday or something. Tomorrow, I might order it tomorrow or tonight. No, it's literally, it's just the ring light. We forgot to order the stand, but who cares? We still got the ring. Crap. We still got the ring light to do the videos. Oh my god, look how nice it is. This light, I'm telling you, I like it. 1 to 10, I give it a 10 because it's so bright. Like, I don't even need the ceiling light on. Damn. And I like the fact that it's got this remote. I still got to figure out what this is for. You guys see it? I still have to figure out what this is for. The fact he has a case, this is gonna be good for when I'm doing my videos. And if I want to take it somewhere else, boom, put it in the bag. Okay? And he has his own little bag for the extra stuff that came with it. You know. And the fabric is good fabric. And I can tell this is like waterproof. Not even gonna like, this is waterproof. So if it's raining, we know it's not gonna get wet. And it's not gonna get destroyed or anything. If it's raining really bad, it's not gonna happen. Not today. Not today. Okay? And this one's waterproof as well. You know, I like it. I like it. I love the size of the ring light. I love, like, it's so light. Like, it's not even a heavy ring light. So do you know how easy that it'll be to carry it around? Easy as hell. Easy as hell. And this little remote, I'll let you guys know next time what it's for, right? Because I don't have a clue. But I'm gonna see where it got this from, and then I will let you guys know. Psych. And I just thought I should open it to let you guys see like how good it is. I like it. I feel like I'm about to cry or something, you know. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Okay, that was a bit dramatic. You guys, let me know in the comments what you guys thought about the light. I know I'm loving it. I'm looking at myself and I'm like, TikTok videos are coming up. Good TikTok videos, because lately the quality of my TikTok videos being, you know, shite. Let's just say that. Because the lighting is just being crap. And I don't know why, but my phone is not being getting the light properly. So it's just a bit weird. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the light, because I know I loved it. 10, 10, 10, 10. The bag's a 10. The ring light's a 10. The quality of the light is a 10. Everything's a 10. So, see you guys in my next video. I'm going to be posting a lot because I'm just coming up with videos now. But I want to know what you guys really want me to do, so then I know, like, you know. So I'm not just doing videos that you guys might want, but you don't want to tell me or something like that. And I'm going to start being more active. My social media, I know I haven't been active on my Instagram that much, but I will be. Snapchat, I'm always on Snapchat, like 24/7. Okay, 24/7. And I'm gonna lie, I'm always on Snapchat. So if you hit me up and I don't message you back, you know I'm ignoring you, because I just message people. My Snapchat, I'm always on Snapchat, but Instagram I've been kind of like on and off. But yeah, like I was saying before my phone start ringing, is I'm gonna start posting more on Instagram and going live and stuff. So go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and keep subscribing. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, you like the video and all that, and you know, become a part of the family, because all my subscribers are my family. And I love you guys. See you next time.